6 tips to clear a stuffy nose in minutes. A cold can pop up anytime, especially during the changes in temperature or weather, and the arrival of spring or fall. They're characterized by a general feeling of malaise and that signature stuffy nose. First of all, it makes it hard to get oxygen to the rest of your body, and secondly, breathing through your mouth usually doesn't cut it. That's why finding a way to clear a stuffy nose is important. It can alleviate some of the usual annoyances that come with a cold. Check out the following tips to clear your stuffy nose fast, because if you don't, you'll continue to feel even worse. 1. Eat spicy food to clear a stuffy nose. Spicy foods help loosen mucus, which in turn will clear your blocked sinuses in minutes. The effect might not last long, but why not benefit from what you eat? To take advantage of these properties, add ingredients to your meals like onion and garlic, preferably raw, or condiments like wasabi. You can also eat raw hot peppers, including serrano or jalapeno chilies. The more you add these nutritious ingredients to your diet, the more you'll benefit. 2. Massage your sinuses. Your sinuses are the spaces that are right next to the nasal septum. A lot of mucus can build up here, so use a circular massage to help loosen it, making the pressure and blockage less bothersome. 3. Control your breathing. Have you ever plugged your ears and nose to open up your sinuses? If so, this technique is very similar to that. How do you do it? Take a deep breath and hold your nose. Then try to expel some air from your nose while walking around, to the point that it starts to feel uncomfortable. Now let go of your nose and breathe normally. Sit down, and in a few minutes you'll realize that you've opened up your airways. 4. Traditional cure. Use Saline Solution. For this you have 2 options: buy Saline Solution from a pharmacy or make it yourself at home. Both are equally effective, but we always prefer home remedies, especially when they're this simple. Just boil some water with salt and let it cool. Once you have the solution, use a syringe to pour the liquid into your nostrils, where it will work as a solvent, clearing your plugged nasal passages immediately. 5. Mint is the enemy of mucus. As you know, mint is commonly used to alleviate respiratory problems associated with colds because it contains acetic and ascorbic acids. These compounds are so effective that after just a few inhalations of menthol or menthol-based ointments, your problem will disappear in minutes. 6. Take a hot shower. Water vapor penetrates the respiratory system in a way that breaks up any blockages, helping you get that deep breath you've been missing. In addition to that, a small amount of hot water in the nasal passages can also help you fight congestion. Don't worry that the shower technique might worsen your condition. When you're done with your shower, dry off thoroughly and you shouldn't have any problems. Remember that it's also important to wash off those microbes from all your sneezing and coughing. Remember these tips because unfortunately we'll all need to use them at some point or another. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.